Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you essential moments on how you can organize inventory movement between different units of your company. How does a company unit work in real life? It can be different branches with warehouses, shops, manufacturing locations for different job works, and repair teams. Sometimes for inventory tracking and process management, you can create virtual units. For example, the damaged raw materials unit. It is convenient if you store such materials separately, and only a special person can have the right to reduce or return such materials. Which instruments you can use in Kladana to set up processes between departments, create different warehouses or locations, create users and user groups, specify different access rights for item, restrict users of one group viewing or managing some types of transactions or transactions that involve some locations. Create tasks, use workflows, use internal orders and transfer to order or move stock between units. Use the draft tick. Kladana is quite flexible, you can choose what exactly to configure for your own process. In this video, I will show you only one case of how to organize stock movements between units. By analogy, you can work out your own process. The store manager requests to fulfill the stock for the store. What I'll use: user access rights, internal orders, transfers, and tasks. First, let's check the stock level for the items. Let's go to the stock report. As an account administrator, I can see all the locations. For example, this is stock level for the bakery for each warehouse. In the settings, employees, I have created a user store manager. He's in the store 1 team group. And in user access permissions, he can see only warehouses in stock for those warehouses that belong to his group. In our case, it is store 1 warehouse. Now, I'm logged in as store 1 director. In the stock report, I can see stock only for the store 1 warehouse. As a director of the store, I want to request the stock replenishment for the store 1. For that, I go to inventory, internal orders, and create internal order, and the warehouse is store 1. As you can see, acting as the store director, I cannot choose another warehouse because it was restricted in user access settings. Also, as the store director, I can create a task and assign it to the user who is responsible for supply. For that, I press task, fill in the body, choose to whom I want to assign it. If necessary, choose the due date and save it. Now let's see what happens being logged in as the account administrator. I am logged in as the administrator now. First, I see that a new task has been created. Also, I have received a notification to the email. Second, in the internal orders, I can see an internal order has been created by the store manager. I can create a transfer as add related to the internal order. After saving the transfer, stock is replaced from main warehouse to store 1. That's all about inventory movements between company units. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.